That is vintage Sharp model FV-1500, made in Japan. Radio, let's see how it works. Working.
Los detalles de él y a dónde se iba y con quién andaba.
Electric cars, maybe even flying cars. Okay, no flying cars, but as soon as they get invented, they'll be on autopilot.
Waiting. Don't take Eliquis if you haven't already.
Ketchup.
For one night only. Allegiant Stadium, Friday, September 13th. Pre-sale for ski car.
After the dogs and cats. Available few seconds.
People giving a gift. We are actually a partner in a lab grown.
Automatically repair is like a paycheck. Honestly, I can see.
Yeah, looks like working. Can use some cleaning. Thank you for looking. Good luck.